Did you know that choosing the right SUV can be the key to comfortable and safe driving at any age? Today we're bringing you a list of 8 SUVs that older adults should buy with confidence. These recommendations are based on reliable information from automotive experts and trusted sources such as Consumer Reports and Edmunds. Smart buying guides that can save you thousands of dollars when choosing your next vehicle. Now let's get started. Number 8. Honda HR-V. Starting at number 8, we have the Honda HR-V, an SUV designed to offer comfort, practicality, and peace of mind. This model is an ideal option for older drivers who want a reliable and easy-to-drive vehicle without spending a fortune. With a starting price of around $24,600, the HR-V manages to balance functionality and comfort in almost every detail. For older drivers, one of the biggest concerns is ease of handling, and this is where the HR-V truly shines. Its compact size makes it extremely easy to maneuver in tight spaces, park without stress, and drive confidently through narrow city streets. The steering feels smooth and precise, and the excellent panoramic visibility helps drivers maintain control at all times, whether they're driving in the city or on the highway. Getting in and out of the vehicle is also very comfortable thanks to wide door openings that make entry and exit simple and effortless. Once inside, the seating comfort stands out. Honda has optimized the seating position and support, which is extremely important for reducing fatigue on longer trips. The cabin is also designed to be quiet and relaxing. An acoustic windshield and sound insulating materials reduce road noise, allowing for calm and peaceful journeys even during highway travel. Another important factor for older drivers is interior space and versatility. Even though the HR-V is classified as a subcompact SUV, it offers surprisingly good interior room. The rear seats are comfortable for passengers, and the cargo area easily handles daily needs. Behind the rear seats, you get about 24.4 cubic feet of cargo space, and when the seats are folded down, that number expands to around 55.1 cubic feet. That means you can easily carry groceries, large purchases, or luggage for a weekend trip. The cargo floor is also low, and the trunk opening is wide, making it easier to load and unload heavy items without strain. When it comes to driving performance, the HR-V focuses on smoothness and stability. Its 2.0-liter engine, producing 158 horsepower, works together with a CVT transmission to provide a calm and comfortable driving experience. The transmission keeps engine revs low, which helps maintain a quiet ride. While it's not designed for speed, the HR-V still provides enough power when needed for passing slower vehicles or climbing hills. It also includes helpful features like downhill assist and a snow driving mode that improves traction in challenging conditions. Reliability is another major strength. Honda has built its reputation on durability, and the HR-V benefits from the same engineering found in models like the Civic and CR-V. That means drivers can expect years of dependable service and a worry-free ownership experience. Number 7. Toyota CHR. In the number 7 spot, we have the Toyota CHR, a compact SUV that combines modern design with advanced safety features and the legendary reliability that Toyota is known for. This makes it a great option for older drivers who want comfort, security, and peace of mind behind the wheel. The Toyota CHR offers a smooth ride, a practical interior, and technology designed to make daily driving easier. For older drivers, controlled and predictable driving behavior is extremely important, and the CHR performs very well in this area. Although its 2.0-liter engine producing 144 horsepower is not the most powerful in the segment, the ride quality is smooth and stable thanks to its independent suspension on all 4 wheels. This suspension system absorbs road imperfections effectively, allowing for comfortable trips even on rougher roads. The steering is precise and easy to control, making it simple to maneuver in tight urban spaces or during highway driving. Safety is one of the most important factors for older drivers, and this is where the CHR truly stands out. Toyota equips this SUV with a long list of advanced safety features as standard equipment. These include automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assistance, adaptive cruise control, and automatic high beams. The vehicle also includes blind spot monitoring, which helps improve side visibility and compensate for the somewhat limited rear view caused by the vehicle's design. Thanks to these technologies, the CHR has earned strong safety recognition from safety organizations, confirming its commitment to protecting occupants. Inside the cabin, the CHR offers a comfortable and functional environment. The cargo space behind the rear seats measures about 19.1 cubic feet, which may seem small at first, but folding the seats expands the capacity to around 37 cubic feet. This makes it possible to carry groceries, luggage, or equipment for weekend trips without much difficulty. The interior design is ergonomic, allowing drivers to find a comfortable seating position easily. Controls are intuitive and simple to use, while the materials feel durable and pleasant to the touch. Another key advantage is Toyota's reputation for reliability. With regular maintenance, the CHR can remain dependable for many years while keeping repair costs relatively low. Number 6. Subaru Crosstrek. At the number 6 spot, we have the Subaru Crosstrek, a compact SUV known for its standard all-wheel drive system. This feature provides excellent stability and confidence for older drivers, especially in challenging weather conditions or on uneven roads. With a starting price around $25,100, the Crosstrek delivers a balanced mix of comfort, safety, and easy handling. One of its biggest advantages is its ability to adapt to different driving conditions. Unlike many competitors, the Crosstrek comes with all-wheel drive as standard equipment. This means improved traction in rain, snow, and even on gravel roads. For older drivers, that added stability can make a huge difference in confidence behind the wheel. Comfort is another area where the Crosstrek performs well. Its slightly higher ride height and thicker tire sidewalls help absorb bumps and road imperfections, creating a smoother ride on uneven surfaces. This relaxed driving experience is ideal for drivers who prefer comfort and stability over aggressive performance. The Crosstrek offers two engine options. The base engine provides enough power for daily driving, though highway overtaking requires some planning. For those who want stronger performance, the optional engine offers noticeably better response for drivers who want quicker rates. While it's not the fastest SUV in the class, the Crosstrek focuses on safety, stability, and practicality, which are more important qualities for many older drivers. Its compact dimensions also make it easy to drive in crowded urban areas, park in tight spaces, and navigate narrow roads. At the same time, its off-road capability makes it perfect for weekend getaways or outdoor adventures. Number 5. Mazda CX-5. In the number 5 spot, we have the Mazda CX-5, a compact SUV that combines stylish design with excellent driving dynamics. With a starting price of around $28,000, the CX-5 offers a great balance of comfort, performance, and everyday usability. One of the reasons the CX-5 stands out is its exceptional handling. Compared to many SUVs in its class, it feels more responsive and agile, especially in corners. The steering is precise and communicative, allowing drivers to feel confident and in control. The CX-5 offers two engine options. The base engine provides enough power for daily driving, though highway overtaking requires some planning. For those who want stronger performance, the optional engine offers noticeably better response for drivers who want quicker rates. While it's not the fastest SUV in the class, the CX-5 focuses on safety, stability, and practicality, which are more important qualities for many older drivers. Its compact dimensions also make it easy to drive in crowded urban areas, park in tight spaces, and navigate narrow roads. At the same time, its off-road capability makes it perfect for weekend getaways or outdoor adventures. 4. Kia Niro. At number 4, we have the Kia Niro, a compact hybrid SUV that stands out for its efficiency and practical design. With a starting price around $26,900, the Niro combines fuel efficiency, comfort, and modern technology. The Niro's interior space is impressive considering its compact size. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom, and the cargo area provides plenty of space for groceries, luggage, or daily errands. The interior design feels modern, with digital displays and eco-friendly materials used throughout the cabin. The driving experience is calm and smooth, making it perfect for drivers who prioritize comfort over speed. 3. Hyundai Tucson. In the number 3 spot is the Hyundai Tucson, a compact SUV known for its comfort, modern styling, and advanced safety technology. With a starting price around $27,600, the Tucson has built a strong reputation for reliability and everyday practicality. Inside, the cabin offers a clean design and intuitive controls. The ride quality is one of the smoothest in the class, thanks to a well-tuned suspension. Safety technology is another highlight, with features such as automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and surround view cameras available on higher trims. 2. Ford Escape. Taking the number 2 spot is the Ford Escape, a versatile, compact SUV that offers strong performance, a spacious cabin, and advanced safety technology. The Escape offers multiple engine choices, including efficient hybrid models and more powerful turbocharged engines. Inside, the cabin is roomy and practical, with a large touchscreen and plenty of cargo space for daily needs. Its smooth steering and comfortable ride make it easy to drive both in the city and on long highway trips. 1. Volkswagen Tiguan. Finally, in the number 1 position, we have the Volkswagen Tiguan. This compact SUV stands out for its spacious interior, smooth ride quality, and balanced performance. Powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, the Tiguan provides solid everyday performance. One of its biggest advantages is interior space. The second row offers generous legroom, and the cargo area is among the largest in its class. Another unique feature is the optional third-row seat, which adds extra versatility for families who occasionally need more passenger capacity. Overall, the Tiguan delivers a comfortable ride, practical design, and a strong reputation for safety and reliability. And there you have it. 8 SUVs that older adults can buy with confidence. These vehicles combine comfort, reliability, safety technology, and ease of driving, making them excellent choices for anyone who values a stress-free driving experience. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest car reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.